Okay, so let's flip this through this 2019 planner, shall we? I have not checked this out at all, so I can't even tell you what shape this is in. I haven't looked at it since January, but let's do it. I loved this cover, by the way. It was the cover of a Happy Notes, and I just thought it was the cutest thing ever. I was using the, I think it was Coastal edition of the Happy Planner, mostly in 2019, not the whole thing, and I loved it. I'll talk more about that in a little bit. This was from this blue Be Happy box. I just absolutely adored that. Cute enough. It's funny looking back at this to see how differently I sort of plan now. I mean, like the same yet different all at the same time. Like this feels super sparse to me now. Isn't that funny? Again, more of that Be Happy box. I love it. I need to put more alphabet stickers in my planner right now, that's for sure. These flowers are just so pretty. Beautiful. So anyway, the reason I love this planner is the sans serif is just so light. It's such a delicate font. It just makes the whole thing feel so much breezier. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. I love this. Super cute. And the watercolors, so cute. I love that. I need to do watercolors again soon too. Lots of yellow and green. But yeah, I tried a daily on a piece of paper, like a blank Happy Notes page. That's really cute. I like that. Ooh, I love this. Super adorable. Yeah, so the sans serif and just the really light font, I feel like make the whole thing feel easy breezy. This was super controversial, I feel like, you know, as far as Happy Planner stuff goes, because people were enraged I used so many stickers, but I was never going to use these stickers anyway, if you're going to be honest. So I thought that was awesome, like an awesome way to use the stickers that I wouldn't have otherwise. I don't love it or anything though. Cute, cute, cute. My favorite Happy Planner girl, trendsetter. These die cuts are so pretty. More Happy Planner box. Again, still love it. This pink is just beautiful. I really don't like these flowers that much. I mean, the colors are good, but the flowers themselves are not my fave. Now this, I love this. This is so adorable. I should definitely do this again soon. This is really cute. The blue is adorable, and look at all these cute Alma flowers. I could take it or leave it. So my son's very last baseball game ever was on this page, hence the handwritten quote. Still makes me sad thinking about it. Sad, sad, sad. This is adorable. I love this stuff in that Happy Planner travel book though. It's really cute. This page is crazy sparse. I do love this though. I love these stickers. They are from, oh, Sparkly Paper Co. Oh, no. Sparkle Plans. Sparkle Plans, that's her name. So cute. Very, very, very sparse. Now this is super cute. These stickers, Shine Sticker Co. I love that foil on there. It's just beautiful. And then of course the Simply Gilded washi is so pretty. Now this week was a terrible week in my life, but this was a glue pen. I wrote Weekend, and then you literally just rub the foil on, like it doesn't require a machine or anything. It's amazing. I should definitely use more of this foil because that was super cool. Love the yellow, black, and white. Also a crappy week, but apparently I used 2 July dividers. That's cute. I like the big alpha across the middle with the layering on that box. I like that. And the Squad Girls, they're always adorable. These stickers are really cute. I feel like they must be printables or maybe stamped and then cut out. I'm not sure, but they're really cute. I love this one. The color palette is so soothing, and then the black palm trees. There's something about it that's really cute to me. Harry Potter week. Okay, now a whole flamingo week. Are you kidding me? That's adorable. I just love it. I've forgotten completely about this. Cute, cute. Lots of Amy Tangerine Be Happy Box goodness in here, which is, these are the planner pages from that now. And I did love this Be Happy Box. I wish that there would be another Amy Tangerine planner. I liked that one a lot. This is from the Teresa Collins Be Happy Box. It's cute. Apparently, maybe I'm using 2 dividers again. I don't know. Oh no, I just doubled up on August apparently, so whatever. It's all good. Cute, cute. I loved this, by the way. This is watercolor that I did to emulate this sticker. And so I just used watercolor on a blank sticker, and I love how that turned out. That's really fun. More Harry Potter. And I'm sorry, this Voldemort sticker is hilarious, and I need to use this again somewhere because that's funny. There's something about these flowers I don't like, and I can't put my finger on it. I don't know if it's the colors or, I mean, like, I don't dislike them. They're not my favorite, but the whole thing is cute. This is a Friends layout. That's really funny. Double divider again. Okay, these Happy Planner, like hand-drawn seasonal stickers are just the best. I absolutely love these. Super, super cute. Who doesn't love a Halloween planned week? That's cute. This is even cuter. Okay, I love it, because again, like that is just so cute, and love a rainbow and some stamping along here too. And of course, the Squad Girls, so cute. Cute, cute, cute. Turkeys, that's really funny. I'm not sure I like this anymore. I think it looks kind of weird, and I can't really see myself doing it so much anymore, but nothing, I really have nothing else to say about it. Very cute. I really, really, really liked this sticker, and then these trees too, and then it goes with that super well as well. I loved this one too. I don't know why, but it was really a favorite of mine. Super, super cute. So yeah, that is it. That is a look at my 2019 classic Happy Planner. I hope you liked it. Let's, if you have any questions or comments or concerns, leave them in the box below and I'll do my best to get back to you. And I will do a memory planner flip through too. So make it a great day.